Я дал попробовать своей тайской девушке холодец.
Moment. Why it's cold? I think it should be soup.
No. This is holodets.
Huh? Hollow dish.
Holodets. Holodets. You have to eat it cold.
Cold. It look like soup. Broken soup.
No, boiled pork inside of jelly. This is traditional Russian dish. Can you try?
Okay. I will try just a little bit. It look like I can eat. The tasty for me very weird and slippery. I don't like this. -1 out of 10. But I think it is worth soup. It can be better. I think for me, it can be more delicious than this.